likes working on your truck. Or someone who likes working on their bikes. Maybe that type of person likes to chill in your workshop and make awesome projects. Then the Dremel Lite is definitely for you. With a 2 amp 4 volt lithium ion battery, the 7760, Dremel Lite will get you over any obstacle. With a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM. Weighing in at 275 grams, this little bugger definitely packs a punch. So there you have it, guys. The Dremel Lite is definitely worth looking at. Very, very quiet, very compact. As you can see, the size of it, very, very small. It's USB chargeable, so you can basically take this anywhere. Again, look at this, give it some thought, and obviously with the speed settings, everything, is a very well thought out product. So definitely worth adding to your arsenal in your workshops at some point. It's still compatible with most burrs. I'll say most, probably all of them. It still accepts a 3.2mm burr and pretty much most of the attachments as well. So that will be in all your manuals and bits and pieces. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. This video was not sponsored by Dremel.